Okay guys, this is where you park, opposite the shack. Enter in by the Wasa storage room. What is going on guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, I'm Matt.
And I'm Lovie.
And today we are heading to Morang Waterfall and Pools.
Yes. Go and check out this place. We have not been here before. It's supposed to be a short, easy hike, so we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. And everybody says you just follow this pipeline and it's supposed to take you to the falls. Let me show you the pipeline. This pipeline here is supposed to take you all up to the falls. Lovey having some breakfast there, some late breakfast. Guys, we apologize for the fact that we have not filmed much lately. Well, hopefully this is the start of us starting back our filming and hiking and doing adventures. Yeah, Lovey?
Yeah. And
so far the place is very beautiful already. Look at that. Woo! Nature is so beautiful, guys. You can literally just soak right here. Wow, it's beautiful. Yeah, you get to see little mini waterfalls on the way here, guys. Check that out, isn't that beautiful? Oh boy, we're exploring today. You don't want to do that? Beautiful bamboo patch there. Of course, we gotta make this a fitness thing, eh? Nice road, might as well take a jog. True. Already behind time. Oh, look, fishes in the water. Oh, nice. Could you all see that? You all see any fishes? Wow, plenty of little mullet, river mullet, beautiful, and a big mullet right there. You know, it's a healthy thing when you see fishes in the water. Guys, I think we've spotted the first pool. So far, the straightforward hike. Nothing too strenuous. I just breathe line out because we was running. 1.5, 2 out of 10.
Very simple, easy hike for beginners.
Yeah. Guys, please take your rubbish home with you now. Oh gosh. I don't care if you're a rude boy or not. Take your rubbish home. A man's bear is here too. Please guys, we need to preserve the little beauty we have here in Trinidad and Tobago. Might seem like a lot, but it could be more. And we reached the first beautiful pool. Not sure if we're gonna go to the other pools, but we're definitely gonna show you guys this here now. Check it out. Wow. Higher up, look how beautiful. It looked like you could skedaddle up there, or you could go this way. I think this way looks easier. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh my lord, look how clear. Guys, we chose the best time to come here. The sun isn't even out properly, and look at how the clarity is. This waterfall is such a clean one.
What's it cold?
It must be cool. How you like it so far?
I like it.
This is gorgeous.
This is very nice.
Wow, guys, the fishes are giving us a free therapeutic, I don't know what to call it. But, ooh, look at how, you can see how much of them are there. Yeah. There's different species too. It's actually babies that are nibbling you. All under there, fishes. Water is so clear. Just like most waterfalls, there's a nice big beautiful log that always falls and it lands in the waterfall. Wow, look at how this look like runoff from a different spring or something here. Natural water just coming from these roots here. That's so nice. Checking out the little cave. Guys, honestly, with this beauty, we really don't care to go further up, but I mean, we might go up after we enjoy this pool, but based on what I've seen, like, this is like the better of the pools, and right now I'm in the cave. I'm in the cave. Check it out. And there's natural water falling right here from this vine. That is so cool. I think I saw a tater. I think that's what I saw, a tater. I am stunned at how clear this is. I know we haven't been to a nice waterfall in a while, but I mean, nah man, it's nice. It's real nice. It's real nice. Somebody left the whole fruit basket here. That is interesting, and some food. So happy we get the place to ourselves. I made it. Really just wanted to bring you guys where the falls there. Always nice when we get the place to ourselves for the first half an hour here. Guys, we decided to go to the top, see what they have on top of the waterfall. At least this first pool here, that's so beautiful. Gosh, it's nice. They look so sweet. Check out this natural slide here now. That is so cool. Maybe I'll slide down. Have this second pool here. Fairly smaller, actually a lot smaller and shallow. Another little private thing to bathe in. Wow. Another little pool. It's like the third pool on top of the waterfall. This one has a nice 3-4 foot depth. And then this is it's another waterfall. Wow. And the rocks are slippery, some of them. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh my god. This one is really nice as well. And I think this is about as far as I'm gonna go. So double waterfall here at Morang Waterfall and pools. Oh, look at natural springs coming off of there too. Let's get any water. Wow, little bugger has some depth to it. Alright. So we have some more natural mini springs coming off of here. Next waterfall. This one is so nice, guys. So nice. Natural springs. Okay, guys. Time to go back down my Lovie. Oh my lord. Second waterfall. Wow. Okay guys, so we hope you guys enjoyed this short video here at Morang Waterfall Pools. It's so easy to find. You just waze it and it takes you straight to the trailhead at the beginning of the trail. Yep. Right? And you just park opposite near the pipeline. Fishes biting, Lovie. There's a lot of fishes in the water, so you know this water is fresh, this water is pure. And I'm actually seeing a species of fishes that I've never seen here before though. Some of these fishes looking like Grammies. I think Grammy is a river fish, you know. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, they are biting.
Biting hard.
Yeah, okay. Alright guys. Yeah guys, please like, share, subscribe.
Click the bell to be notified for more videos in the future. We will be posting more videos in the future, so look out for that.
And as always guys, stay safe.
And stay adventurous.